Welcome. So the notification for the Common Universities Entrance Test Postgraduate Examination has been released. Now the forms are available from 26th of December. You can fill those online and those would be available till 24th of January. So that's the last date to fill the form. Now the most important thing is the exam is from 11th March to 28th March. It's really important. Each paper would be of 1 hour 45 minutes duration and there would be 3 shifts on a daily basis. Now since this is an entrance to your master's level program, you can opt for more than one subject. So when you are opting for more than one subject, what subjects you can choose and what would be the possible areas you can apply is really important, that we would be understanding in a separate lecture. Also, we would be identifying topics with similar syllabus, like the subjects that if you are applying for one of the subjects, you can also apply for these subjects, so you have better chance of admission into a university. And then for each of the subject you would have to select the universities as you proceed. Now if you go on to this notification which has been released yesterday itself, it says that the online forms are already out on the website, which is the official website. So CUET PG Samarth is the official website that you can move to. So let me just move to the official page, and here is where the website is. So you can go here and click on to the information bulletin. Now information bulletin is a 75-page bulletin which talks about the basic aspects of the examination. The mode of the examination would be online. The marking schemes, the syllabus is available. Now if you go on to syllabus, the syllabus for each of the subject is available separately. The courses offered by various universities, you can search those here, and then there is a guide which shows you how to fill in the application form. Now we have already taken a separate class where we have talked about the ways to fill the application form. What is really important is to identify the code. So with each of the subject you have the paper code which is mentioned here. Now these codes are divided under common subject, humanities, MTech courses, Acharya, Science and Languages. Now for languages it is LA for languages, question paper 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly for science it is SC Science, question paper 1, 2, 3, 4. For Acharya AC code, for MTech MT code, for humanities HU code, and then for common CO code. Now under the common you have the general paper. So there is general paper which is 2 general paper, which is a common general paper for most of the subjects of humanities, and then one general paper for MBA etc. So there is a minor difference between the two. One has the computers and the GK section which is associated to it, right? So those are some of the important aspects that you must remember while you are filling the form. As we said, the notification for 2024 has already been released, and if you go on to the list of the official notification, the fees for each of the application form is there, and if you are opting for additional paper you have to pay an additional fee. For India, those applying outside India have a separate fee structure. Similarly, the process of fees payment is online, and there is a guideline through which you can fill the form. If you scroll down, the scoring pattern is also available, which we have already covered in one of the separate videos, so you can check that as well. And these actually talk about some of the certifications if required, for income, for caste, and different kinds of certificates if you are required to put those. This is what is required when you are filling the form. Now in a separate video we would discuss what are the possible combinations of subjects that you can select if you are planning to appear for more than one CUET PG examination, right? So if you are appearing for only one CUET, you have a preset mindset that I have appeared for, let's say, history honors in my bachelor's and I want to pursue history only. That's totally fine. But along with history there are options, because you can apply for ancient history, you can also apply for history of arts, you can apply for core history. Now the departments and universities for each of these would vary. So this gives you an insight about what to prepare and how to prepare and the related subjects, right? So we would be covering the related subjects that you can fill for your CUET PG entrance as you fill in the forms, and definitely the preparation material, the study material, notes, lectures and questions, past paper solutions are available here. Wish you very good luck, and feel free to connect with us if you have any questions or queries. Below is the number. You can reach us directly on this number. Thanks for joining in.